Now you need to think about things that could go in the drawing and then things that should go in the drawing. So in the beginning of the story, the three little javelinas, they were walking down a path, it said. So if we're going to start this out, we need to have that path somewhere in there. So just like in Little Red Riding Hood, there was a path in that story. This one, it seems like they traveled a really long way, so I'm going to make the path really long. So I'm starting it up in the background here and coming down towards the front. And to make it look like it's more real, I'm going to make the far away part smaller, and the part that gets close to me, you'll see it gets bigger. And this could look like a path or a road that the three little javelinas could actually be walking down. So I chose a crayon again that does not have paper on it because I want to use the side to kind of fill that in, just to change the color of the path a little bit more there. Then I could add some things in there, like it talked about having mountains, so maybe I want to put a mountain in the background. Maybe there's one here, maybe there's one here. I can start filling that in with my crayon. Mountains usually have lots of rocks showing, so I'm going to do some lines to show some texture there. And you guys are probably thinking, well, one of those mountains looks like it's behind the other one, so it's getting covered up a little bit, so using overlap will make it look even better. Now I'm going to think about, well, what else would make it look like the desert? Well, trees, that would probably make it look a lot more like it's like the woods or the forest. So there's something instead of trees where there's cactuses. And when you say cactuses, you're actually supposed to change the word. You say cacti, which sounds a little funny, but that's actually a real word. So if I have more than one cactus, then I have to say that I'm putting cacti in my drawing. So I'm going to add one here. So you'll notice the difference in the size of these. I want it to look like they're getting closer to me. So the closer they get to me, the bigger they should actually look. So you're adding things to make it look like the desert, but you want to leave room for other things from the story.